Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Day 12 is January the 12th and it is a Tuesday. Yesterday evening I decided to do something that I never did before. I have decided to ruin my own statistics. Please let me explain what I mean. I noticed a pattern a few years ago and I really want to find out if I am right. We all have had these moments where we found something that really works, right? I had that huge insight when I released the Brexit system one day before the first Brexit forum took place. I knew that huge volatility was to be expected and I wanted to find out if my little automated system would be able to surf this huge wave without drowning. Currently I am doing a live trading experiment with real money. I called it the crowd algo trading system. And after 11 days, it looked good, but then I decided to do something that I have actually never done before. And that is to ruin my own statistics, in the middle of a live promotion, doing something I have never done before. And that is manually closing open positions in a loss after a week. So why did I do that? Well, actually I have once again seen something that I have seen several times before. Whenever I start a system I pay attention to the first few days and usually I let the thing run for a few weeks before I look at it again. But when I take a closer look at the first few days, it looks like the balance in equity growth is always high in the very first week. When I checked the Brexit system in 2016, I thought that this would be probably a coincidence because of the high volatility. But this time I wanted to get an answer to the following question. What if this initial increase can be repeated by just closing all open positions when equity and balance are positive after a week or so? If that is really the case, it should be possible to make the same profit in a shorter time span. And if I am wrong, I have a low risk, because currently the system is cash flow positive. That means that I already have more money than I invested, even after closing some positions with a loss. Therefore I decided to just do it and closed all trades. The end result is that we made 1.15% net profit in a week. It is not a big hit, but a good start, and I consider it to be something that might give us more insights in the future. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. So what do you think? Was it a good idea to do that, or would it have been better to just let the system run? If you have any suggestions, just send me an email. Thank you for your attention and best regards from still snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.